What is up guys, Done at the side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up your Zoho CRM like this. So as you can see, I have already set it up my Zoho CRM, but I'll tell you, you first need to log in with your Zoho CRM's account. But first you need to head over to your Zoho CRM's website by just simply typing crm.zoho.eu. And after typing, you will be headed to the Zoho CRM's website, wherein you need to create a new account. And after that here, when you click on this settings, which is the setup, so you can just set up your account like your basic Zoho account. So you need to enter your name, your email, your phone number, and the number of employees which are in your company. And after that, in the users section, you need to enter all the users. And if you want to add new users, you need to click on new user, or here you can also import the users. So in the company settings here, you can see all the settings related to your company, like your locale information, like your time zone, and this is the access URL to access your company's Zoho. Like if someone wants to access your company's Zoho, you can just send them this link, and after that they will be able to access your Zoho, your company's Zoho. And in the profiles here, you have multiple profiles that you have set it according to your companies. And after that here in the roles and sharing section, you will see all the roles that you have shared in your company. So this is how you can just set up all your Zoho CRM settings, and when you will just freshly log in, you will be able to create this type of dashboard in the Zoho CRM, but it's only once when you are new here at the Zoho CRM. So that was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.